Many customers are coming.
Everyone's goal is to get fresh fish and delicious sushi and make your own seafood bowl.
Well, let's go. 30 minutes from Sendai Station on the Senseki Line. Let's head to the exit.
This time we will use the elevator.
This elevator exits through the front door.
When you exit the station, go left, then go right.
Let's go.
You could do the fish marking, but this
Turn
time you
left.
will take a shortcut.
Turn right. From here onward, just follow the road straight ahead. Main entrance. The information desk is here. Many customers are coming.
Everyone's goal is to get fresh fish and delicious sushi and seafood bowls.
You can make your own sushi bowl. Easy 3 steps. Please purchase toppings at stores with this sign. You can purchase your rice sets and arrange in this area. Let's eat your original seafood bowl. You will be satisfied.